What's up, everybody? Another arcade talk coming at you. Hope you're having a great morning, afternoon, evening, or night, wherever you're at in the world. Hope you're having a great one. And please smash that like button to help the video out. Okay, guys, we got an unboxing today. I've already unboxed it a little bit, but I have not opened it up. But my wife accidentally ordered this. I figured, hey, since we got it, might as well unbox it. It's a Shadow. It's supposed to do a rolling 360. Got some lights on it, so this is more like a drone. No, it looks like a jet. It's really a drone. But yeah, let's unbox this. Got a little damage on the box, so hopefully the thing's okay. We'll find out. Could be a long review or short review. Got some tape on here. Figured open up the undamaged side. I don't think there's anything else in there. Cool thing is, this is the side that had the damage on it, and looks like the plane itself is on the other side, so you should be okay. We got a manual here. Can't really read it. Not sure if it has English on it at all. It does. There's the English side. Quadcopter Stunt Aircraft. So that's what it is called. Now we got English side. Okay, so that's in there. We got some spare parts. Looks like this is the charger right there. Plugs in the USB. And then it has, oh, I can't see it because of the plastic bag, but and then we have some extra colors there. So we got 2 black, 2 blue, and then we got a little tiny screwdriver for tiny little hands. Okay, and then we have, oh wow, look, we got two batteries in it. Surprised on that. I mean, I think this thing was only $8. And these look like they are a 2-pin. And I already have a 2-pin charger. I wonder if that'll fit in here. It looks like they would, because it looks like the same. Anyways, okay, so it comes with 2 batteries. I'm surprised. Got those spare parts. Here is the little remote. Wow, that is tiny. I mean, fits the palm of my hand. That's small, man. So I got a power button. Okay, both controllers. So this is going to be like almost like a 6-channel. Has all the rotations you want. Looks like we got some trim buttons there. Trim up, right, left, maybe up and down. So I have to look at the manual, see what all these do. This one here does something a little different too. Looks like, oh, maybe that turns the lights on and off. Maybe, okay, maybe. And we even have some buttons up here. Yeah, there's 360. Okay. And then some more stuff over here. Interesting. Almost looks like PS4 controller. Not much difference, really, right? I mean, comparable. So there is the remote. It is small. It's actually a little bigger than this one. This one here was the Chinook I've been flying, and this is that new one. So it's a little bit bigger than that one. So I see what the screwdriver is for, because on the back where you put your batteries, there is a screw there. Plus you have a little pin. These probably take AAA. Yeah, looks like it takes 3 AAA there. So it takes 3 of those. I'll have to find some AAAs for that. I wonder if there's a battery inside that airplane. That's cool. We at least got 2. batteries. It's always nice having two. Two or more is always good. Yeah, and this plugs right into, that's where the batteries plug right into, right there. I already have a 2-pin. Well, hopefully my other 2-pin charger will work. This thing's so small. It's almost like small as one of your flash drives. You know, the ones are almost like flush. Okay. Get the airplane out. Okay, so this is probably a little bigger than I thought. There it is, guys. There is the airplane. Also, you got 4 propellers on there. I thought it was just going to be 3. So we have 4. And we got the blue one, not the red. That's what it looks like. There's the upside down. They actually have fake wheels right here. There's one here, here, and then one in the front. It looks, where is it? I can't, there it is. See that red button? I think that red button is your on and off. It is. Ah, there's your battery compartment. Just kind of goes down and then slides down. Then you slide up and push it out to bring it out. So there's not a battery inside here. So you can see where it plugs into right there. So we got 2 batteries. So sometimes they have them one inside already. So you would have 3, but this one here just comes with 2. But that's all right. Hey, 2's better than 1. And then it just plugs right in there. Battery just kind of slides in there. Then plug it in right there. Boom. But I will charge these up, make sure they're 100%, and then we'll take this thing out. Kind of cool too. This is like styrofoam. You can see, you know, the styrofoam. Most of this is all styrofoam. Only thing is, this is the top part of the battery. The battery goes, you know, right below it. So that's the only thing that's plastic, and the rest is styrofoam. So this thing should hold up. It shouldn't break. Only thing that can really break is your propellers, but even they're kind of protected by the styrofoam. So this thing should survive, even kids. It says 14 plus, but you know, if you have a parent, I think a kid younger than 14 would be fine with this, even if they crash it, because it's styrofoam. It's pretty thick styrofoam. But it's not. It's squishy enough where if it hits something, it would just kind of like bounce off and it won't break nothing. So this is pretty nice for that. And even this back here, that's even the styrofoam. So everything's styrofoam except for the battery pack itself. Let's plug in the battery. See what we got here, because it's supposed to have lights too. The box shows lights, so maybe hopefully this has enough juice to they start it up. And the battery just plugs in just like that, guys. You can see we got lights. It only goes one way, so don't force it. It just goes one way. Battery's in there. And yes, we have lights. Looks like we got 2 blue, a green, and a red. So that's cool. I just wanted to see if the lights, if it had lights, but it does. So the lights are kind of in where the propeller motor and that goes into the craft. That's where those lights are on. So they should be crash safe as well. So pretty cool. I like it has 2 blue and then 1 green and 1 red. It's really cool. Nice. Okay, I got 3 batteries, guys. Put them in there. There's the 3 triples. They're in there. And then I turned this on. I got a red. As soon as I did, there's the pattern on those changed. See if you can go. Oh yeah. So I just went up on the controller. On this one here, I just went up and it I don't know if it's because the batteries are not full, but soon as I see, it's I think it's because the batteries are dying. Yeah, because it's. But at least you get to see it. And I'm not sure if this is an auto lane and takeoff or not. Okay, it has something. So I think it does have auto takeoff and auto land. It looks like it's this button here. I got to read the manual, but as soon as I hit that button, it took off. It really took off. So I think that's your auto land, auto takeoff button. I do believe. So it's pretty powerful too. I was surprised how powerful this sucker is. I mean, this thing was not very much money at all. And the comparative size, I mean, you guys seen me fly this, and this thing is, well, put up like there. So it's almost the same size, pretty much the same size as this helicopter. Helicopter's a little bit longer, not much, but that gives you kind of the size of this airplane. So it's a little bigger than I thought. Pretty neat. So I'll take it out here. I'm going to charge up these batteries on here since they were probably 90 and 40% charged. So I'll go ahead and charge both these batteries and we'll go outside and fly this and see what it does. Okay, guys, I was right. These are your trim buttons. This is your takeoff, land. It should hover. And then we got some buttons up here. This is like 360. We'll roll 360. Not sure what the other ones are. But I'm going to go ahead and do the auto takeoff. See what it does. Oh, I think you got to. Did I turn it on? Yeah, there we go. Woo! Hovering pretty good. Little movement. That's kind of going sideways. Do have a wind. Ah! Nah, I want to lose it. I don't know what's going on over here. Trying to get it to. Trying to get this thing to hover, man, but. Okay, auto takeoff. I think it's fighting the wind, man. I mean, it really doesn't want to come forward. See, backwards. See, it goes backwards pretty good. Try to do auto land. Easy enough. Sassing. She's having pretty good there. See, then it got a little bit movement to the right. I don't know if that's the wind taking that a little bit. I'll have to do it inside to trim. We can go right, left, circle. Let's see what the surround button does. Ah, so I hit the surround button, which is this button here, and it does a circle. Ah, pretty cool. What happens if I do it again? Goes back to hover. That's pretty neat. Definitely got to trim it a little bit, I think. Let's go up. I gotta go a little higher. Is that a hummingbird? Uh-oh, is battery dying? Battery died. Good thing is, I got another one. I'm gonna try to do that 360 real quick. Okay. Okay, go. Try to go a little higher here. Try to do it 360. I think the wind's taking it. So you do 360 real quick. Okay, it does not want. Oh, do you have to hold it? I don't know if it's just too low. Hey, did 360. Did you catch it?
Do it again.
For some reason. Whoa! Did you get it? Try to get it a little closer.
Well, you gotta get it up high enough that the trees aren't blocking it.
Can you see it now? Shoot, how did I do that? Woo! So you got to hold the go. You got to like hold the joystick, go forward, then hit it. That's pretty neat. Now it's doing a surround again, doing a circle. You get that or not?
Nope.
Do it again. That's so neat though. Come towards us. Do it. Okay, landing. Ow. Boom. There it is, guys. The shadow. Pretty cool.